Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like GBP USD, GBP JPY, Gold USD, then you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you can see that overall the structure of Euro USD has not changed. Okay, the levels are more or less has remained the same. So at first, let's look at the chart of DXY, and the last traded price is 98.22. So when I made the yesterday's video, DXY was trading around here, and we were skeptical whether DXY would bounce or not. And yes, it did bounce. But one thing that we must understand is that DXY, though it bounced, but it again reversed also. So somewhere down the line, we can assume that the number of sellers are increasing. Okay, so on Monday, there is a possibility that DXY will break the level of 98 and try to go down as well. So if on Monday DXY comes to the level of 98, it will be very important for us to observe whether DXY is able to hold the level or not. Okay, so if DXY is able to hold the level and bounces, well and good, we can assume that okay, the overall bullish structure setup of DXY is still valid. But in case if it breaks the level of 98, then the next support for DXY is 97.75 and ultimately at 97.40. So these are the levels for DXY right now, and at the top we have the resistance here. Okay, it is far away, so no need to talk about it. Okay, and one thing that I would like to talk is on Monday. You can see this is the forexfactory.com. Fed Chair Powell speaks. So as we all know that this is also a market driving event, so there will be some volatility, so please be careful. Now let's talk about the chart of Euro USD. The last traded price of Euro USD is 1.1050. This is the last traded price, and as you can see that on the left hand side, I have mentioned strongest resistance is 1.1200. Now let's try to understand why. First of all, the level is important because of the 200 moving average, because see this, the red line is the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average, we all know it that it is a very strong support or resistance in all the market around the world. So 200 moving average is there, and if we go to the weekly chart, or if I take you to the weekly chart, you can see that on the weekly chart also we have this around 1.1200, we have a resistance. So if we combine both the factors here, there is a possibility that market will be facing price rejection from our market, will be facing selling pressure. So there is we can take a sell position around 1.1200. Okay, and the strongest support, the first strongest support is 1.0900. Again, this level is also derived from the weekly chart, and to be honest, the levels from the weekly chart are very strong enough. So in case market falls also, we can hope that 1.0900 will be able to hold the level. But in case the selling pressure is too high, in case there is a sharp volatility, heavy selling in the market, and if it fails also, then the ultimate support for the Euro USD will be at 1.0820, 1.00, this level. Okay, why this level? Okay, this level is important because see, when market was facing heavy selling pressure, this was the level that could provide support to the market. So obviously there must be someone, there are some institutions present that hold. So on Monday, Tuesday, if market faces heavy selling pressure again, then we can hope that the same level, the same strong players will provide support to the market again, because this is how support and resistance work in the market. So this is the strongest resistance, and these two are the strongest support in the market. And we have another level in the market, that is 1.1125 to 1.1135. 30. This is also a resistance in the market, but in comparison to these levels, okay, this level, the reliability is not much. So under normal market circumstances, yes, I'm not talking about any news driven market. Under normal market circumstances, you can hope that if market reaches this particular level, market may face selling pressure again. But yes, as we all know, confirmation is very important. So once market reaches the resistance, observe the market. If you see selling pressure from above, if you see price being rejected from above or bearish engulfing pattern, anything of that sort, that will be the confirmation कि हाँ भाई sellers अभी भी मौजूद है, कि that sellers are still present around the resistance and you can take a sell position. That will be the best decision. Okay, so this is the strongest resistance and this is a medium resistance for the chart of Euro USD. Yesterday's video I talked about something, if you remember, that Euro USD is constantly forming, okay, lower highs, higher lows in the market. Means it is not breaking the previous lows. So generally this kind of a setup signifies the increase in number of buyers. So there is a possibility that on Monday, Tuesday, Euro USD will break this resistance and will try to go up. So always use proper risk management and use stop loss, because see my dear friends, always keep in mind a trader only trades when the opportunity is right, and as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, and use proper risk management, stop loss, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So you must be very careful with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.